Pero este es no difícil para cambio, pero este otro.
¿Pusiste esa idea?
Sí, pero no poner mano ahí en este.
Let's go.
Levántalo.
Oye.
Ok. Y la
barra.
una barra para.
La mano pequeña.
Now we can put the pin in. See the new fitting? This was actually a new fitting too. I had somebody who used to work here put it on, and he didn't put it on all the way. See how it's unthreaded? And he ended up hitting something with it, so it bent. So that thing was leaking the whole time. He never put the O-ring on it that I got him. Put that one on, but he didn't put this behind the washer. So this thing used to freaking pour out of here. See. That one's good. You take the strap off. ¿Cómo? Oh, I'm starting to feel so happy.
Looking sweet.
Yeah. You gotta take that bolt down. Oh, we gotta put the clamp around it. And we are officially out of brake cleaner. But it got us right through to the last point. So I don't know if these go exactly here because I just don't remember. But the best thing to do is just follow the hose. But the best thing to do is just follow the hose. You don't want the hose to have any weird bends or twists. Or you don't want the hose crossing another hose because it'll rub over time. So, see, this hose is free and this one is free. But we just gotta put it down carefully to make sure it won't hit the sides. If not, we just gotta adjust it a little bit. Yeah, so we ditched the zip tie plan to put this. Just wait until it's tightened down, you'll see. Because that was the issue last time this thing came over here and crunched this hose and busted that hose on the other side. So. Of course, I don't put a socket on it.
We done, Jimmy?
Doesn't feel like it, but yeah. Too long and it stretched out perfect.
Wow.
You know?
So,
I don't know why it seemed long, but it's not long.
overall, is that mission success?
Yeah, it's perfect. It's not leaking anymore. Alright, so far it's not leaking. Now we just gotta put it to a test and see if it's really capable of putting in work.